is a very excellent and new things what I have seen it. It is really very good and it has to be spread to all the employees of the company. That will be better. In fact, I am saying that not only the company employee, it should go beyond the employees and should be taken care of the family members of the employee also.
It's a personal well-being workshop wherein the effects of the electronics gadgets have been clearly explained and got to know a new perspective. Though we are aware that they are not very good, they are harmful, but some new perspectives have been shared, and they're all very excellent. And some chips which they have shown us, which will help mitigate the harmful effects of the radiation and all. So very informative. And
It's a very good initiative. In fact, what I would suggest is that every organization should do it for all their employees. This initiative will definitely help me to know how my health is doing, and obviously it will help in the my day-to-day workings, and obviously with my team also will be effective. It's a very good program. It's like whatever the findings are, it's exactly the ones that I also know. Means I have done recently the.
I think it's a great thing to do because unless your employees are healthy, physically as well as mentally, they cannot perform. And I know there are very few organizations who bother to take care of this aspect of their employees. It will be quite beneficial in the long run because if we know that, wherever we are lacking in terms of our physical or mental health, if those parameters are taken care of, it'll make us stronger and more fit, and of course will help us perform better.
It was a great experience, and I'm excited to see test is being done without injection or traditional way. Just it took hardly 5 to 10 minutes, and the interaction with the consultant was also very good. And just to give one input, that I was recently suggested that I might have a diabetic. I could see my insulin resistance level is very high as per the diagnosis method, and this gives me warning signal also.
It seems to be quite quick and simple so far. I'll probably need to correlate this with certain other inputs what I have from my blood test, etc. But I'm sure there's a very novel way of diagnostics. It's quite simple, sort of covering from head to toe.
It was good, very nice. I like that, and I am happy to see that you have some professionals working in your team. Particularly, I'm impressed with your doctor. More than a doctor, she is also a dietitian, and therefore good advice to people. I think that is good. They can understand most of the things. They can tell you what you should be doing and which you should be doing. Only thing I can say is only reinforcing that I should do my walking.